Hey guys, what's up and welcome to the chaos that is the garage, the shop. As you can see, it is completely full. I've got electronic projects going on to the bus. We've got old furniture that we're redoing. There's sinks and appliances for redoing our entire kitchen. So the floors are in, cabinets should be here this week. After that is concrete countertops. And then hopefully I can make a little bit more room to get the garage back into a gym. We do have some more equipment. We picked up an actual exercise machine. Got a treadmill this week, so my wife is very excited about that. But that's not why you're watching this video. I got a PM on one of my, I think it was one of my Instagram short videos. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you really should. I post more than I think I do on YouTube. And I try to do small little videos that are fun little snippets of my little adventures that don't really equate into a full YouTube video. Well, good morning, guys. Out for a wander, just getting some wood for the BioLite stove. Long story short, they were asking me about how I was filling the water. I think on one of the BioLite cooking videos a couple weekends ago, we took a trip out to the mountains, spent the weekend, and they want to know more about it. Now, long story short, Overland Bound, if you don't follow him or his company or his app or anything else, I am a member. He did a video, which I honestly thought was a lot longer ago, about coming up with a really cool water pump solution for a jerry can. They are the military jerry cans. I thought the video was pretty old. It's actually only a year old. I went and looked this morning. And it's very involved. Let me show you what my solution is, and honestly, I think it's something all you guys can do and probably would work on other jerry cans, but it definitely works on the military ones. Let's take a look. All right, guys, just inside the door, you can see in the step here, we've got just enough room. Sorry for the wind noise. Just enough room here for a 5-gallon military jerry can. And that's also where I kept the Lifesaver. However, this winter, I took that out because of freezing issues, and I've been running the military one this spring. So let's pull this out. You can see the pump right there and take a look at it. All right, guys, there she is in all her beautiful glory. Forgive the mess. We just got back from Portland from IKEA, and so this thing is fully stacked with inductions and drawer fronts from IKEA. But the reason you're watching this video, as you can see, old military water can I've had forever. You've seen it in scout videos, everything. I've had it for years. And then we've got this little guy. Now, initially, I purchased this simply because while we're doing the kitchen remodel, we didn't have easy access to water. So I wanted to kind of have a water fill station. We didn't have anything set up other than the sinks. Some of our bathroom sinks don't actually hold our water bottles very well. So I picked this guy up that is designed to go on top of those 5-gallon or smaller blue water jugs you get at Lowe's or somewhere like that. And it is rechargeable. And honestly, I just have this pressure fit onto the smaller nozzle. If you're familiar with the military style canteens here, there are adapters that fit the blue jugs. If you don't have like one from Lowe's or whatever, they have slightly different tops to them. However, this little piece just friction fits right over the top. And honestly, it's come off once on a really bumpy road, but other than that, I've also only recharged this once. And let me just pull my coffee cup off one hand here, and let me see if I can do this without making a complete mess. But you press the button, water flows out, and you press it again, and you're done. It doesn't really leak. There's maybe a little drip, but where I've got it there in the step of the bus is pretty convenient. It's right, so when you open the door, guys, we can fill up water. If we're cooking outside, we can fill a pot. We can make coffee from the inside. And like I said, I think I've maybe charged this once since its initial charge, and I've had this since February. So it's just been kind of the late winter adventures we've been using it on, but this is a pretty slick system. I think this was 12 bucks. Of course, I'll put links down below. I don't know. You'll have to source the military cans. If I can find one on Amazon, I'll put a link below. Otherwise, Google military sort of water canteen, jerry can, and you should be able to find that. But those two combinations is a pretty sweet option for a camp that has access to easy water. All right, guys. I appreciate you for watching. Thank you for the comments. I hope you don't mind these sort of smaller, quicker, less edited pieces together, because honestly right now, as I'm getting ready to go into summer and wildland fire season and trying to get a kitchen done so that we can actually cook a meal, that may be a separate video as well, because I did get a message on that. But yeah, take care. Hope this answers all your questions. Check out the links down below, and we'll see you down the road.
Thanks for all the love and support. You guys are amazing. Please like, share, and subscribe. Follow the adventure on social media, and we'll see you on the road.